How to enable notifications in Rednote. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable the notifications in Rednote app. It's a super simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First, open Rednote app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Now in your profile, tap on this gear icon to open the settings. From here, scroll down until you see the notifications. You can see notifications right here. Tap on it. Now you will see various options right here, and you can just see your receive message notification. Just toggle it on and just toggle this. Just like that, you allow notifications on your device. And that's it. You have successfully enabled your notifications in Rednote. Stay connected and never miss out on the moments that matter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.